Hey guys, this is George Cholos from AGORACOM on Friday afternoon in December the 9th to be exact. I'm putting up one of my stock picks today. But before I get into that, for those of you who don't know me, I'm the founder of AGORACOM, so you can find all my commentary here, and it's a great place to find small cap stock information, discover your next great small cap company. For those of you who are more akin to Twitter, you can find me on Twitter, AGORACOM right there. That's my handle, so make sure you follow. Now let's talk about what I'm buying today. Um, this is SJM Smucker, all right? Good old-fashioned, boring peanut butter and jam jelly company. Not typical of what I buy, though I have bought companies like Hormel Foods in the past and done very well with them. So I'm here to tell you why I just picked up Smucker today. It closed at 130.49. I picked it up at the close a couple minutes before 130.41. So I'm already up 8 cents. I bought 500 shares of this. So on that 8 cents, I'm going to be paying for movie night tonight. Let's take a look at the chart here of the company. This is a 1-year chart, and first thing you're going to notice here is that this 125 level has been a very, very strong area of support. Here, 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 all through here. It's been a very strong level of support, and the company got away. I'm not sure why, as a food company, it gapped up earlier this year in the summertime and went on this crazy run. But it looks like it's definitely come back down to earth. And if you know Smuckers, have been around for over 100 years. 93% of households in America have their products, so it's not as if something has gone drastically bad with their business. Complete opposite. These are boring, very stable companies, and that's what I love about them. It started breaking out. We've been watching this. Made a bit of a breakout, but I want to see more confirmation, and I see that it broke over its 50-day moving average, 129.91. I was watching this over the last couple of days at 127, 128, and I figured, well, if I'm going to buy it, I might as well wait for confirmation over 129.91. And for a food company, you're talking about $1 higher today, pretty much, sorry, actually 50, 60 cents higher. That's pretty good confirmation, and you can see it's got nothing but air above this. I'll put a stop loss below 125 in the 123 area. At the very least, I'm protected by a 2.5% dividend, so there's not a lot of downside here unless something drastic was to happen to Smuckers, and I just don't see it. Here are the other technicals here that I'm taking a look at. RSI is pretty nice here at 57 and on its way up. And stochastics here are definitely showing momentum, and it may be approaching overbought soon. But with the Dow screaming the way it is and setting new record highs every day, this is not out of the ordinary. And I think you're going to see other investors kind of jump onto that, because believe it or not, that's not as scary as some of the other stocks that you're seeing out there. Now, the other thing I like about Smuckers is this: the company derives more than 90% of its revenues and most of its profits from the U.S. domestic market. So as a result of that, it takes a real big beating on the tax side. It pays a lot of tax as opposed to companies that derive their sales, same kind of sales, from around the world. But in a Trump era America, where he's talked about lowering corporate tax rates, if Smucker's corporate tax rate gets reduced even by a little bit, that's going to have a huge effect on their bottom line, given the fact that the majority of their income comes from the United States. So as a result, breaking through, holding support, bouncing off support, break through its 50-day moving average, and with the RSI and stochastic still looking pretty reasonable, I'm liking this a lot here. I just may take it for a quick trade, $3-4, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. But I look for $3-4 on 500 shares. That's giving me a $1,500 to $2,000 profit, and like I said, a lot of protection on the downside. Great company, big company, financially stable. This isn't a tech company that can fluctuate wildly from week to week. So I love this trade. I think it's a good one. And there's my lesson for the day on why I've gone long on Smuckers. Hope you all have a great weekend. If you have any questions, make sure you get over to AGORACOM and search for me right up here. Just search for AGORACOM George. You'll find me. You'll find this post, and feel free to ask me questions about it. You can log in with Facebook and LinkedIn, so you don't have to worry about brand new logins. That's it. Talk to you soon. Hope you like the trade. Talk to you later. Bye.